So let's start a row. This can be done in a round as well, and I really like this idea for textures. So you're just gonna wrap the hook and pull through one. So you're just gonna chain up one to start a row or a round. So to start the first stitch, you're going to do a single crochet, and you're immediately just gonna go in behind the post and pop it to the other side so the hook stays in the front. And then you're going to wrap, pull through, and then you have 2 loops on the hook, pull through both. That's your single crochet, but it's in the front post. To do the next one, just go in behind and then pop it out to the other side. Pull through and then pull through 2. Okay, so in, pull through 2. And you're going to continue to do that all the way across. So this is how you would do the single crochet in the front post, and on the back side you will see that a ridge is being done. You can use these kind of stitches usually when you're using texture stitches, that the front post or the back post is required in order to do that. So you come right into the very end, and on the last turning chain you still treat it like it's a post, because it is, and then you just use it as normal. That was how you do the single crochet in the front post.